Hey there.
Hello everyone. Welcome to Analytical 11 Studio. Please share and subscribe. In today's tutorial, we will be exploring some basic design tools. Firstly, open the part design and go to the Sketch tool. Select a plane and draw a sketch using the Profile tool. Make sure that all points have been joined. Once done, exit the workbench. Here, you will see the Shaft tool. Click on it and select the sketch and center axis. Click OK to get a solid body. Further, select a sketch and draw a circle on the edge of the solid body. Exit the workbench and click on the Groove tool. Select the sketch and you can make a hole in it using the Hole command. Provide the required definitions and click OK. Now, let's move on to some other important tools. Go to Sketch and draw a line, then exit the workbench. Now select a plane that is perpendicular to the sketch and draw a circle here. Exit the workbench and click on the Rib tool. Select the sketch and center line and click OK. This will extrude a circle. Further, to make a slot, draw another circle on the face and select the slot option after this. We will select the sketch and curve that was initially drawn and click on OK. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe for more videos.